How to rename a folder on Viber. Folders are a new feature on Viber, and on our channel, you've had the chance to learn more about them. We showed you how to create them and how to add contacts to those folders. In today's video, I will show you how to rename a folder on Viber. Let's begin by opening the Viber app. Find the folder you want to rename. Long press on the folder name. In the menu that appears, select Rename Folder. In the folder name field, enter the new name for the folder. You can also use emojis alongside the letters. Once you have entered the new folder name, save the changes by clicking on the checkmark button. The folder name will be immediately updated. Like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the latest content.